I tried ChatGPT and Deepseek. If you're learning English or any other language and wondering which AI is better, ChatGPT or Deepseek, today we are putting them to the test. Which one can help you improve faster? Let's go! Understanding both AIs. First, let's talk about what these AIs can actually do. ChatGPT is great for conversation practice, grammar explanations, and writing feedback. Deepseek is a powerful language model too, but it focuses more on text-based learning, meaning you type and get corrections. Very important, make sure you click on Deepseek R1. To summarize, ChatGPT has a voice feature and text-based also, but Deepseek doesn't have a voice mode as of yet. It has a text-based only as I'm recording this video. The big difference: real-time speaking practice. Now, here's where ChatGPT really shines. It has a built-in voice feature, meaning you can actually talk to it like a real person. Is this sentence grammatically correct? I go gym.
The sentence I go is technically correct grammatically, but it is incomplete. It needs an object or a place to go to make sense. For example, I go to the store or I go home.
What about I go gym?
I go gym is not grammatically correct. It should be I go to the gym.
Why do we have to put the preposition to?
In English, the preposition to is used before a place or destination when talking about movement towards that place. It indicates the direction or goal of the action. In the sentence, I go to the gym specifies where the person is going.
How cool is that? Practicing English or any other language without the teacher, just you and ChatGPT, having a conversation anytime, anywhere. You see, you get instant pronunciation feedback. You can practice real-world conversations and build fluency faster. Writing and grammar, which one is better? But what if you want to improve your writing? Both AIs can help, but Deepseek is really good at giving detailed feedback on text. It's built for analyzing complex sentences, fixing grammar, and improving your writing. So if you're more into writing, Deepseek may be a good option. But keep in mind that there were some security issues. Recently, the Wall Street Journal compared Deepseek and ChatGPT and even Claude AI. Well, Claude AI will be a part of another video. The comparison was focused on their performance in real-world tasks, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. All three AIs offered valuable features. Their effectiveness is based on your needs and context. If you want to know what context is, I highly recommend watching this video. So ChatGPT excels in general knowledge and conversational tasks. And Deepseek offers competitive performance with certain safety trade-offs. So which one should you choose for language learning? Use ChatGPT if you want real-time conversation practice, instant pronunciation feedback, and general help in grammar, vocabulary, etc. Use Deepseek if you want advanced writing analysis, grammar correction and structure feedback, and text-based learning. So both AIs are powerful, but it really depends on you how you want to learn. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you prefer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.